Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we're going on an exciting journey to discover the majestic Bengal tiger. This incredible species has been roaming our planet for millions of years, and its story is one of resilience, adaptability, and beauty. To start, let's define what a Bengal tiger is. Simply put, it's a subspecies of tiger that inhabits the Indian subcontinent, characterized by its distinctive orange and black stripes. But what makes this species so significant in the natural world? Well, as one of the largest predators on land, the Bengal tiger plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. Its presence has a ripple effect throughout the entire food chain, from the tiny insects that pollinate the forest flowers to the massive elephants that roam the grasslands. The evolutionary history of the Bengal tiger dates back to the Pleistocene era, around 2 million years ago. Since then, this subspecies has undergone significant changes, adapting to its environment and evolving into the majestic creature we know today. One of the key factors that contributed to its evolution was the formation of the Himalayan mountain range, which created a geographic barrier that isolated the Bengal tiger population from other tiger subspecies. From a biological perspective, this species belongs to the family Felidae and is classified as Panthera tigris. Its habitat ranges from tropical forests to grasslands, and it's an apex predator that feeds on a variety of prey, including deer, wild boar, and even small elephants. Researchers like Dr. Ullas Karanth, a renowned tiger biologist, have dedicated their careers to studying the behavior, ecology, and conservation of Bengal tigers. One of the most significant research findings in recent years is the discovery of the importance of habitat connectivity for Bengal tiger populations. A study published in the journal Science found that tigers are able to disperse over long distances, but only if there are corridors of suitable habitat connecting their territories. This has major implications for conservation efforts, as it highlights the need to protect not just individual tiger reserves, but also the surrounding landscape. In terms of observations, Bengal tigers have been known to exhibit some fascinating behaviors. For example, they're skilled swimmers and have been observed cooling off in rivers during hot summer days. They're also dedicated parents, with females often going to great lengths to protect their cubs from harm. In fact, a study by the Wildlife Conservation Society found that tiger mothers will often move their cubs to new locations every few days to avoid detection by potential predators. But Bengal tigers don't exist in isolation. They interact with many other species in their ecosystem. They have a complex relationship with their prey, with some species like the chital deer evolving to avoid tiger predation. They also compete with other predators like leopards and wild dogs for resources. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Mammalogy found that tigers will often steal kills from other predators, highlighting the intense competition for food in these ecosystems. Unfortunately, Bengal tigers are facing numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-tiger conflict. As we discuss these challenges, it's essential to acknowledge the intricate relationships between humans and tigers, and the need for conservation efforts that prioritize both human well-being and tiger survival. The story of the Bengal tiger serves as a poignant reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world, not just for the sake of individual species, but for the health of entire ecosystems. In recent years, conservation efforts have been underway to protect the Bengal tiger and its habitat. For example, the Indian government has established several tiger reserves and protected areas, which provide a safe haven for tigers to roam and hunt. Additionally, organizations like the World Wildlife Fund are working with local communities to promote sustainable livelihoods and reduce human-tiger conflict. As we conclude our journey into the world of the Bengal tiger, let's reflect on the profound lessons that this majestic creature can teach us. The tiger's resilience, adaptability, and beauty remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and diversity of life on Earth. As we strive to protect and conserve the natural world, we must recognize the intricate web of relationships that binds us all, humans, animals, plants, and ecosystems, together. The Bengal tiger's story, also highlights the importance of preserving biodiversity and ecological balance. By protecting the tiger and its habitat, we are also safeguarding the many other species that share its ecosystem. In fact, a study by the International Union for Conservation of Nature found that conserving tiger habitats can have a positive impact on up to 70% of other species in the same ecosystem. As we look to the future, it's clear that the Bengal tiger faces many challenges, but it's also clear that there is hope. With continued conservation efforts and a commitment to protecting the natural world, we can ensure the long-term survival of this incredible species. So let's join forces to protect the Bengal tiger and its habitat, not just for the sake of this majestic creature, but for the health of our planet as a whole. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of the Bengal tiger. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.